Today I am going to take methods of training. In the last class we have studied on the job training and the off the job training. Today I am going to taking the first one is vestibule training. This type of training is adopted when a large number of persons are to be trained within a short span of time. A special area or a room is set aside from the main production area. Airline pilots in a stimulated cockpit is a good example for the vestibule training. The trainees is permitted to learn and work at this place. The next one is apprentice training. Candidates are selected and appointed as trainees or apprentices. The selected persons work under the experienced workers or supervisors. This method is used now most of the organizations. The apprentices will get stipend during the training period. They are offered jobs after the completion of training successfully. The next one is classroom training. Training is provided in organization classrooms or in educational institution lectures, case studies, group discussion, and audiovisual aids are used to explain knowledge and skills to trainings. This is done by an instructor. The next one is learner training. Learners are those persons who are selected for semi-skilled job and the lack of even basic knowledge of industrial engineering. First, they are given education in vocational schools. They haven't any education about that job, but first they give education in the vocational schools, and they are allowed to learn operations of machines. The next one is internship training. It is a joint program of training conducted by the educational institutions and business firms. Selected candidates carry on a regular studies in an educational institution. The business firm provides practical training to them in a factory to acquire practical knowledge and skills. The next one is computer-based training. This type of training is very popular now. Computers can be used to provide training to employees. The concept behind CPT is that allows individuals to participate in training when and where it is needed. The next one is e-learning training online. Internet is used to conduct training online. World Wide Web is utilized by management for distributing training to employees located in different locations of jobs. If the employees have no computers, the organization provides computers to them. Thank you.